This 2015 Forest River Salem Villa Estate 394 FKDS double slide, front kitchen is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 40 feet 10 inches in length and features sleeps 4, air conditioning, slide-out, skylight, external shower, and 39 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front kitchen, rear bedroom, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2015 Forest River Salem Villa Estate 394 FKDS double slide, front kitchen is 10,075 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.